Welcome to Chapter 10 of Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Lesson 58, the first of our usage lessons. Some words look alike or sound alike, and they're easy to mix up. Over the next few lessons, we'll build a little glossary of those troublemakers. Today, we start at the front of the alphabet. Except, already, altogether, and a lot. First pair, except and accept. Accept with an A is a verb. It means to receive something or to agree to it. The mayor will accept the award tonight. Except with an E means other than or leaving something out. Everyone went to the game except Dave. Quick memory hook. Accept the award, but everyone except Dave. If you're receiving it, use accept. If you're leaving it out, use accept. Next pair, already and already. Already, two words, means completely prepared. The hikers were all ready by dawn. Already, one word, is about time. It means by this time or before now. The bus had already left. Here's the trick. If you can drop the all and the sentence still makes sense as completely prepared, write it as two words, already. If it's about time, it's the single word already. Third pair, and it works the same way. Altogether versus altogether. Altogether, two words, means in a group, all in one place. The cousins posed all together for a photo. Altogether, one word, means completely or entirely. The directions were altogether confusing. Same trick as before. If you mean a group standing together, two words. If you mean completely, one word, altogether. Last one is the simplest and the most commonly botched, a lot. A lot, meaning very much or a large number, is always two words. There is no such word as a lot spelled as one word, so never write it that way. And here's a writing bonus. A lot is vague. When you can, swap it for a real number. Instead of a lot of tickets were sold, write 300 tickets were sold. Sharper and more convincing. In this first set, look at the words in capital letters and decide whether they're used correctly. Think about the meaning the sentence needs, then pick the matching word. Pause and try each one before I answer. I like every topping except olives. The sentence means every topping other than olives, leaving olives out. That's exactly what except with an E does. So the word is used correctly. So the answer is correct. My solo was all ready for the recital. Here, the meaning is that the solo was completely prepared, ready to go. That calls for the two-word already, not the time word already. So the word is used incorrectly. So the answer is incorrect. Everyone boarded the bus except David. The sentence means everyone other than David, so it's leaving David out. That's the job of accept with an E, not the verb accept. So the word is used incorrectly. So the answer is incorrect. Now choose the word that best completes each sentence. Decide what the sentence really means, then match it to the right form. Pause and try each one. We were blank unprepared for the quiz. The meaning here is completely unprepared, not standing in a group. Completely calls for the one word altogether. So the answer is altogether. Tessa could not blank such an expensive gift. The sentence is about receiving the gift, taking it. Receiving is the job of the verb accept with an A, so the answer is accept. Jonas bought blank of the raffle tickets. Both choices are grammatical, but remember the writing tip. When you can, replace the vague a lot with a real number. 30 is specific and clearer, so the answer is 30. Let's wrap up our first usage lesson. Accept with an A means to receive. Accept with an E means other than. Already, 2 words, means prepared. Already, 1 word, is about time. Altogether, 2 words, means in a group. Altogether, 1 word, means completely. And a lot is always 2 words, with a real number sharper still. When 2 words look alike, stop and ask what you really mean. Great work, and we'll sort out more pairs next time.